In today's digital age, data privacy matters. India's DPDP and Europe's GDPR both aim to protect personal data. But they approach it differently. Here's how they compare. The first difference is format scope. DPDP only digital records. DPDP in India applies only to digital personal data. That means data collected and processed online or in digital systems. GDPR digital plus physical records. In contrast, the GDPR goes further. It applies not just to digital records but also to physical, paper-based files containing personal data. Legal basis for processing. DPDP, consent-focused approach. DPDP is consent-centric. In most cases, user consent is the primary legitimate basis for processing personal data. GDPR, multiple lawful grounds. GDPR, however, offers multiple lawful grounds including consent, contract, legitimate interest, legal obligation, and others. This gives European businesses more flexibility in processing data. Breach reporting. DPDP, report every breach. Under DPDP, organizations are required to report every data breach, regardless of its potential impact, ensuring high transparency and prompt action in response. GDPR, report only risk-based breaches. Under GDPR, organizations are only required to report breaches that are likely to result in a high risk. This means minor breaches might not need to be reported, allowing focus on more critical incidents. Children's privacy. DPDP, age threshold is equals to 18 plus. DPDP sets a strict age threshold of 18 for minors and requires parental consent for data processing. GDPR, 16 plus, variable, threshold. GDPR sets the age at 16, but member states can lower it to 13. This flexibility makes GDPR less restrictive for digital services aimed at younger users. User rights. DPDP, essential rights. DPDP provides core user rights including access to personal information, correction, erasure, and grievance redressal, ensuring people can manage their digital footprint. GDPR, advanced rights. GDPR provides a broader set of advanced rights including data portability and the right to object to automated decision-making. This gives European users more control over how their data moves across platforms. DPDP and GDPR, shaping the future of data privacy. Both DPDP and GDPR are important data privacy frameworks, but differ in scope, legal basis, breach reporting, children's privacy, and user rights. Understanding these differences is essential, as global data protection continues to evolve and safeguard personal information. Privacy Global, your DPDP compliance expert. Like, share and subscribe for more DPDP Act breakdowns.